Hello wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again today. So today we are going to be making Achicha Ede and Fio Fio agwarawa. So let's get right into the video. Meanwhile, I've been soaking the Fio Fio overnight, and this is what it looks like after soaking it overnight. So I will go ahead and start cooking it with my pressure pot. But before that, I've been soaking this achicha for over 3 hours plus. This particular one is chow. I've been soaking it for over 3 hours. Normally I soak this 20 minutes to 30 minutes and it will be soft, but this one refused to be soft, so I will just cook it together with the Fio Fio. So after 30 minutes, I decided to check it to see if my Achicha Ede has softened, and also to take out the water from the cowpea, which is the Fio Fio, rinse it and add a new water. I tried to mash it here, but I noticed that it is still hard, so I needed to pack it up again and cook it more to see if it will soften. Then I will add a fresh water, cook for another 30 minutes, and I take it out, added more water to the Fio Fio because the Fio Fio is still not that soft. Added a little bit of salt and continue cooking the Fio Fio while I mash the achicha. Now it is as good as ready. It is soft the way I like it. So the next thing I will do is to blend some ehu, African nutmeg. Then I will also pound the Fio Fio. To my pot, I added a lot of palm oil because this required a lot of palm oil and a lot of onions. Then I added a lot of onions with pepper. Then I will fry it till it caramelizes. Then I will add my seasoning cube. I'm using Knorr cube. Once the Knorr cube is soft, I will use my spoon to break it and mix everything together. Then I will add okpaka or ogba. Then after that, I will keep stirring because I need to fry it up a bit to bring out its flavor. Then the next thing I will be adding is the ehu or ehuru that I blended or pounded earlier. Then I will keep stirring as well. Then the next thing I will be adding is scent leaf. Because I don't have fresh scent leaf, I soak this scent leaf, this dry scent leaf, for over 1 hour so that it will soften. Then I will introduce it now. Then after that, I will continue frying. I will fry it for 5 minutes because I want the scent leaf to be soft and also to bring out its flavor. So after stirring it, I will be adding some crayfish. This also requires a lot of crayfish too. Then after adding the crayfish, I will continue stirring. Then I will add salt, good quality salt, Add salt and stir. Then I will go to my garden and get some fresh spinach because this requires fresh vegetables. Then I will stir the spinach for at least a minute because I don't want to overcook it. Now I will introduce the achicha. Then I will mix everything together. Then I will bring in the Fio Fio that I pounded earlier. I will add it just like so. Meanwhile, it's not a must that you pound your Fio Fio. You can add it like that without pounding it. But I love to pound it a bit so that it will have almost the same consistency with the achicha. Then I will add salt and I will start mixing everything together. By this time, you just have to walk out your own. You taste for salt and everything. Tasted so good. This is the moment of truth.
Very nice. Wow. If I have green, this is your destiny. Vegetables are very fresh from your garden.
I'll be requested for second round.
This is the real deal. Wow.
One. Wow.
Go. Go.
You guys all about that, man. Okay. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and make sure you go and cook your own Achicha Ede. Bye.